Okay, who's excited?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
We're all excited. I'm excited.
I see my dad's in the back there. He is wondering what the heck is in the boxes. You guys have all been helping me out on the show quite a bit, yeah?
Yeah.
You've all helped me on YouTube Gold. You helped me. You had fun. You had a great experience. None of you paid your bill.
No.
Not one.
And I still drink your beer.
That's easily a two thing.
Proud to be a part of it.
I gotta say, before I give out what is owed to you, that each one of these envelopes was packed with care. Thanks a lot for joining us on YouTube Gold. I had a great time.
$1,900 to be here?
So I ordered 3 trucks from Asia Tees.
Oh my.
Yeah, from Traction. And each one of you get one of these. But you're gonna have to fight amongst yourselves because I got 2 Jeeps and 1 Ford. So the Raptor and the 2 Jeeps. But you all of you, well, you guys can figure it out. You already picked your boxes.
Yeah.
So tough, eh?
What's in your box is in your box.
Yeah, that's what she said.
It's a long walk home, so you rode with it.
Yeah, yeah.
No, it doesn't say.
Couple of animals here. What the heck's going on?
Oh, it says this side up.
Brand new trucks. Oh, there's that. We know what that one is. There. Muscles from Brussels. There you go. What did you get?
I got a Jeep, apparently.
A Jeep?
Got a Jeep.
Aha! So it sounds like there's going to be some trades going on, maybe.
Maybe.
I expect to see intense negotiations and possibly fistfights.
Well, I got my Jeep, so
You got a Jeep?
I don't think there'll be any fistfights.
Are you a Jeep man?
I sure am.
Let's see on the end. Oh, nice! Right on.
Let's see what it looks like in there.
Dad, we may have to get you one of these. Hey, everyone's like upset that you didn't get anything yet. Yeah, I got one up on the wall, Dad. You can take your choice. Holy cow. A
Thank you
trip.
very much, buddy.
You're welcome, buddy. This is my pleasure.
This is sweet, man.
Yeah, sweet. Thanks for all your help on the show. I appreciate it.
Bloody awesome, Aaron.
Yeah, buddy.
Thank you.
Thanks for letting us on the show.
Yeah. Now we can all. You guys got
fun to play.
You guys got some work ahead of you now, hey?
Yeah, there'll be some painting this week.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
there sure will be.
Let me see. Is this different? Oh, this isn't.
lockers.
Look at this. This is upgraded version,
And
man.
this one.
Ah. Oh, so it begins.
Awesome. I wonder if it's got the 2-speed too.
Oh,
doesn't
here,
look
this
like
is
it.
it. I don't see the shifting. Oh, there it is.
Yeah,
2-speed.
It is a 2-speed as
Yeah,
well.
nice. So what is the version you got? What is this called? So what's the box or on?
This is the Cragsman.
You did get the, yeah, that's right. Well, they're all Cragsman models, okay? So there's the Cragsman,
Traction Hobby,
Founder.
Cragsman or Founder.
Cragsman C is the model that I have.
Yeah.
So your 2 models are different than the Ford. So this Ford, I don't know if you have true 2-wheel to 4-wheel. I think you're 4-wheel all the time.
Locked in.
Yeah, I think you, locking and unlocking, but
There's your 2-wheel, 4-wheel.
Oh, I see the
true 2-wheel and 4-wheel.
Okay.
Front diff lock.
Why would you want, Aaron, you're a mechanic, can you explain to us why in an RC even, or even in full size, why you want 2-wheel or 4-wheel?
Much easier turning. So if you're on a cement path and you're driving through downtown, like we do on our urban asphalts,
yeah.
your turning radius is half as compared to when you're locked. So you can turn much easier, get around corners,
Nice.
just better maneuverability.
I also find it takes less power when I'm on a smooth surface just to be in
Much more
2-wheel
efficient, yeah.
unlocked.
Absolutely.
So my on my battery, it lasts a much longer time. What the frig,
It's
man?
really not all that much bigger than a 10 scale.
Oh, I disagree. I think if we put them side by side, you'll be shocked.
Well, they are quite a bit.
You'd be shocked at how
Not as large
it is.
as I would have expected.
The one Steve is holding has a,
And Pinky's is
back.
huge.
let's just set that down, Steve.
There you go. Tail to tail, guys. There's the difference.
It's quite a bit.
There ain't no- there ain't
That's
no-
quite a bit.
There ain't no other class. It's a
3 inches
completely
difference in wheelbase.
new area. That's what I've been. It's so hard to tell
This way
everybody
too, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
in videos.
You're another
Looks awesome.
almost
Looks awesome.
inch and a half on each side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a new truck, man. A new class. All
A new division altogether.
It's 8 scale.
So these have the steel frame, not the carbon fiber frame.
So yours do. So interesting how they've changed the model. Like mine doesn't have the battery aluminum tray. This is a really nice feature.
Really nice tray.
They just
Huge,
keep
too.
including it. Now everyone must be wondering what Grandpa Mike here got, but you got your Reaper outside, right?
Absolutely.
Your Hubau, your Wraith. We got a whole schwack of things that we've been working on.
Lots of them.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get you one of these, I think.
I think that could come down the pipes.
Here the truck is good.
Show me. This is, that's right, this is the wrap for the wheel wells so you don't get any corrosion and it makes it look a nice finished trim.
I've seen a lot of people asking about it.
That's right, they're like, what's it made out of? But
I thought it was a Canadian Tire trim that you can buy for your fenders.
yeah,
But it's very similar to that, just
Yeah.
much smaller.
very small. It's amazing what they're doing these days. You guys are already right into ripping it apart, eh? I thought,
Getting built right now.
so all aluminum axle housings here. I haven't had any of my stuff on my Cragsman, original Cragsman Jeep or my Raptor brake yet. Now, of course, I don't want to curse myself. I know I just did in the RC world. But the bodies are attached with magnets. This is actually going to be attaching to the top of their body after they paint it. Also, it's going to have some Velcro down the sides here. This is the electronics box. Everything here is not waterproof, guys. It is splash proof. You may want to look at doing some waterproofing on your servos or getting some waterproof servos in there. So for those that don't know what we're talking about, here is my original 8 scale Jeep. I started working with this Jeep about a year ago. Went out, had lots of fun. There is a small interior kit that goes with it. I put one of the McKenzie brothers in there. You can actually remove this entire top. You just have to unscrew these two and remove it, and then you can go, you know, cruising with the top down.
Awesome on here.
Your pit bulls are going to look awesome on there. And you know that MKS servo? Do you still have it?
Yes.
That is also going to be your steering servo because it will be very powerful and you will love it in the mud.
And I will also
Oh, I
have
should
that
probably
same
do that
winch.
too, eh?
Yes,
Put
the
on
same
this one.
winch. Nice.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the RC 4-wheel drive. What was this one called? Do you remember? It's the
Don't
heavy
remember
duty
the
one.
number of it.
That is the 50-pound
That
winch.
more,
Yes, it is. And I've
more.
lifted,
Yeah.
in fact, I have lifted
Yes,
four
that's right.
trucks.
I lifted this in the sky
I saw
all the
that,
way
yeah.
up.
Saw
I
the
did
video off
4
your garage
trucks.
door.
4
in
trucks
the garage,
with
from
this?
the floor to the track.
No way.
4 trucks.
You
in
could
a
never
row.
use it ever again, but it did it, right?
No, it doesn't.
I just saw it, man. Look at the aluminum upgraded plate as well.
Yeah, it looks pretty good, man. That's
Yeah,
sweet.
it does, man. Red is just an amazing color for anodization, and it makes your truck pop. Hey, it goes
really
with the
does.
shocks. My shocks are the red anodized ones. So are them. So are they. But look at, you even have a back brace for the. Look at behind your battery brace, dude.
Oh yeah,
that.
oh yeah, the chassis brace
Yeah,
right
chassis
across.
brace. For all those wondering, this is what the manual looks like in this fancy plastic bag.
I'm gonna have a quick.
That's a good idea. The mechanic is going to use the instruction book. Interesting.
Well, if I just
Wow.
wait a minute,
Look at this.
he'll tell me how to do it.
Nice. Well done. So a 7600 model. This is a 3S, Aaron?
Yes.
Hard case. This looks amazing. I definitely want one of these.
I found the 2 differentials.
Okay, 2
There's
speed.
Got
the
it.
2-speed.
You got it? Yeah.
This knob right here,
It's, you turn the knob.
turn it all the way to the left,
Yeah.
and you'll be unlocked.
There
Two-wheel
you go.
drive.
There it's the knob. That's the
There we
same
go.
on my.
As
That's
hell.
that's the same on my Cragsman Jeep.
So
Yeah.
you couldn't help while we were standing there?
Well, I'm not going to be telling you what
That
it is. You
is
want to be
cool
discovering
as
this.
hell.
That's how you're going to learn.
You will see it from distance.
Yep.
You got a big smile?
I haven't figured out the lockers yet. I
Forward.
Look at, there he is.
figured out the 2 and 4.
Oh yeah, you got a different radio.
Yeah. Okay.
It's this dial.
And the other one will be your rear. 'Cause they're separate servos.
Yep.
There you go. Done
You
deal.
don't want to trash when you truck too much.
6 channels.
Till I'm ready.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
two-wheel,
rookie.
four-wheelers.
A lot of people are going to say that these are just blown up Traxxas TRX4s.
Not even close.
Okay, and why do you say that?
This is a completely different platform, totally different setup.
Yeah.
There's no differences.
It looks similar because it goes from it goes like locked and unlocked.
Yes.
And it's got the 2-speed, right? But so what makes it different other than being?
Placement, everything. It's a whole different design.
It is. Yeah, it's not the same truck at all.
It shares maybe the concept, but
That's right.
none of the design.
Yeah.
And to be fair, the concept comes from the full-size world.
That's exactly
They
right.
own the concept.
Yeah. Yeah.
And these do have anodized axles and.
Oh yeah, no, these
Or
are
not-
all
not
alloy.
alloy, I mean,
Yeah,
yeah,
all
not
alloy,
anodized.
all metal links. Like amazing, man. So here is the version of the Cragsman Jeep that I have. Joe's right here beside us. And of course, Rookie's will be a Jeep as well. And then Steve, he's got the Ford. Here is the Ford Raptor I have on the end. I've got him sporting a One Too Many RC's light bar there. A little bit dusty. It's been on the shelf for a few days. But I think a little bit of dirt on a truck looks right. What do you say, boys?
Looks incredible.
Yeah?
man.
Awesome.
Are we excited for new trucks or what?
Yeah.
Let's get 8 scale going. We need to get you an 8 scale truck next.
Absolutely.
You're going to have to come back and have a trail run with us. I think that's the way.
Absolutely.
So-
I'll be here.
Yeah, so there we go, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in today. Maybe you guys want to check out the link to Asia Tees in the video description box. Go check out the Traction Hobby Cragsman. And as we always say, get outside and have fun with RC, because you know we always do. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye. You guys aren't leaving, right? I got a tank to build still. Are we building a tank today?
We're building the tank today.
We'll stick around for that.
We're just cleaning up a bit.
We need the table back. We need the space. That's right.